Hi everyone, so let's talk about the find elements in the concatenating binary tree. So you are given a binary tree, so root value is actually equal to 0. So root out left, if root out left is not known, then you have to set this to set this number. Then x represent the root, and root out right just set this number, and this is pretty much it, right? So the what we have is we have two functions, two methods. One is find element, so you basically this is a constructor and the other one is fine, right? So you have to return true or false if the target is in the binary tree. So if this is going to be the problem, you definitely need a hash set. So you will cost all of one for time. So I'm going to create a hash set, and I'm going to pass the integer instead of node. And this is a constructor, right? So I'm just say new hash set. Alright, so if you notice, we definitely need to traverse the parent first, and then we will go to the child, right? So the in-order method does not work. But how about pre-order? So pre-order is like this, right? So I need to pass in two values. I'm going to call null, and the other one is going to call p-value. So p-value is actually represent the parent value, which is represent x in this case. So if null equal to null, right? I will just return. And now for the pre-order, right? I need to add into my set, right? So I can use set.add, right? Set.add, I will add the node.val. But the problem is I need to set the node.val is actually equal to p-val, right? So look at this. You are given a tree, but you are passing -1. But reality, you are passing 0, right? Because you need to change your current root to 0, no matter what value you have. So I would pass in pre-order. I'm going to pass in root and 0 in this case. So I will set the 0 to the root no matter what. And I will traverse based on my child. Is it going to be a left? Is it going to be a right? And then you just do the math automatically, right? So I will say equal to 0 first and then add into the set, and I will traverse pre-order node.left, comma, and then my p.val for the left is going to be 2 times p-val plus 1, right? And this is going to be the same thing, node.right, 2 times p-val plus 2. And for the find function, I'm going to return setup contains target. So this is going to be pretty much the solution. And believe it or not, let me see if I have any problem. Alright, no, right? So let's talk about time and space. For the entire class, this is going to be all of them for the space. And you initialize it, and then you call this function, and then this function calls all of n for the time, and then constant for the space, and this is going to be all of 1 for time and space. And this is the solution, and I will see you next time. Bye.